Hello dear friends, here you are. Hope you all doing well there. This is our today topic, finding the derivative using the formula plus the graphs and the definition of asymptote. This is the function y equals arc of cosine of radical x, and we want to find y prime. Okay, the solution. Already we know the following formulas. The derivative of arc of cosine u equals minus, don't forget to put this sign, minus u prime over radical 1 minus s squared u. In addition, derivative of radical u equals u prime over 2 multiplied by root of u, especially for this problem. When we have radical x, derivative of radical x equals 1 over 2 multiplied by radical x. Considering these formulas, minus derivative of radical x over this radical equals, okay, here we keep minus 1 here and move this term here over this radical. As you know, considering this formula, the answer will be 1 over 2 radical x. Radical x and power 2 will be x. So the answer is here. Y prime equals minus 1 over 2 multiplied by radical x multiplied by 1 minus x. We know a square root or even root of a negative number is impossible. Normally odd roots are defined for all real numbers, but even roots are only defined for non-negative numbers. It means odd roots can give non-negative or negative answers, but even roots only give non-negative answers when they exist. So, considering of this term here, in addition, we should consider that division by 0 is undefined too. So x multiplied by 1 minus x should be greater than 0, should be positive. And also division by 0 is undefined, so it cannot be equals 0. Therefore, this is the domain of the derivative function. Okay. Let's go to the next page. This graph shows the curve of f of x, our main function, y equals arc of cosine radical x. Attention that even root of a negative number is impossible. Therefore, x should be greater than 0 or x equals 0. We can show the domain like this as well. For 0 is closed, and for positive infinity is open. This is the curve, the graph of the equation of the derivative. This is the domain of this function, domain of f prime equals this interval, this open interval. You can see this curve, is the illustration of the graph of this function, equation of the derivative, which is located between two vertical asymptotes. Two parallel vertical asymptotes. This line as x equals 0 and this line as x equals 1. But you should consider that these two lines, these two vertical and parallel lines, don't touch this curve even at infinity. Definition: an asymptote for a curve is a straight line such that the distance between this curve and the asymptote tends to 0 as the point on the curve tends to infinity. So the lines x equals 0 and x equals 1 both are the vertical asymptotes. This is our last page. Limit of f prime of x when x approaches 0 from the right equals minus infinity. As the result, x equals 0 is a vertical asymptote, and this limit is called f prime at 0 from the right. And here, limit of f prime of x when x approaches 1 from the left equals minus infinity. and is called f prime at 1 from the left also x equals 1 is a vertical asymptote as well. Dear friends, thank you for watching. Please hit the like button and share this video, and don't forget to put your comment below of this video. Thank you very much. Goodbye.